easy, budget friendly granola breakfast cereal. You want to see how I achieved this one? Continue watching, guys. To my returning supporters, welcome. For those coming for the first time, welcome as well. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. In that way, you'll never miss another upload. So let's make this one, guys. Here's a run through of the ingredients. Here I have some dry apricot. You can use whichever dry fruit or nuts you have available. I have some dry apricots. I'm going to cut these. As you see, I'm doing it now and put that aside for later. I'm also going to use an apple. This is a big size apple. You can shred this or slice thinly. For the slicing method, make sure that you slice it very thin. In that way, it will be dried out in the oven. So just continue watching, guys, and I'll come back when I'll give you a run through of all the other ingredients. So with all my ingredients prepped, here's a run through. We have our apricot slices, our rolled oats, shredded apple, overripe banana. We're going to smash that. We have a chia seed. We have coconut flakes. And in this bowl, I'm using some golden raisin, black raisin, and dry cranberries. You can use whichever fruits or nuts you have available. And yes, we're going to need some honey. I'm adding some cinnamon in mine as well. And for the oil, I'm using some virgin olive oil, but you can also use coconut oil. So we're just going to mix this together. First step though, we're going to mix all the wet ingredients and then we're going to combine our dry ingredients, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. So continue watching, guys. So here is my granola base, fresh from the oven, all crispy and dried out. This is the reason why we said we have to slice the apple thinly or shred it. Because if there's moisture, then it will go off quickly. So now we're going to add our dry fruits. And if you're using nuts, this is the time to add this as well. So we're just going to mix this well and pour in our storage bottle. But before storing, please make sure that it's completely cooled before storing. Okay? And then we're going to serve this up for breakfast. With this amount and for the pack of granola these days in the supermarket, these amount of ingredients, I made 2 times the amount that I would pay for a small pack of granola. So this is very much a budget friendly breakfast cereal. So do try this one out, guys, and you'll definitely save some coins in your pocket. Okay, how crunchy this is. Yes, so we're just going to store that in a tightly sealed jar, and this amount of granola can serve me up to 2 weeks. So again, guys, very budget friendly and will definitely save some coins. So this is how I served up my granola. I normally put my yogurt. Today I'm using unflavored yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt, flavored yogurt. And then I'm going to put my cereal on top, sprinkle some cinnamon powder and drizzle my honey. And that was my breakfast. Very healthy and very on the budget. Okay? So I hope that you did watch to the end, so you didn't miss a steps. You didn't miss no steps. I hope that you did watch full. Yes. So guys, just like the video, hype the video, share with a friend, drop me a comment, try this one out as well, and come back to the comment section and tell me all about it. So until the next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.